Dikakanyo tsa me di ka fetola botshelo fa re ka kopana ra ka ntle kakanyo e le nngwe dikakanyo ke matla ke go roroma ga lefatshe fa re ka kopana ra ka ntle kakanyo e le nngwe re romisa lefatshe dikakanyo di bokete ke lerumo le le sa bolaleng dikakanyo tsa me di ka fetola botshelo fa re ka kopana ra ka ntle kakanyo e le nngwe
If you and I come together, we could change the world with thought. Ain't that better? Mind meets mind, words strengthening the spine. Get up off your ass, hustle hard and reach your prime. Cause your thought is power, reality changes in an hour. If you cower, your dreams die, then left and sour. Emotion, wishing for a token to get a second chance, at least a glance of what's approaching. This life is shady and shaky, but thoughts they give you safety. Ideas and dream form a destiny, gotta make it real. A skill, keep it real till you give them chills. Planning on the future, can't afford to comprehend him.